How to fix Fantasy Premier League login problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Fantasy Premier League login problem. Now, there might be a couple of reasons why you're facing this issue. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have entered the correct email address and password. In case you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on the Forgot Password option in order to reset it. Now, if you have entered all the correct credentials and you're still not able to log in, next thing you want to do is head over to Settings, then scroll down and tap on the Apps option. Here, search for the Premier League app. Now, you want to tap on the Storage option. Tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and tap on the Delete option. Once that is done, open the PL app again and try to log into your Fantasy Premier League account again. If you're still facing this issue, then the next thing you want to do is open up Play Store and search for the Premier League official app. Here, if you find the update button, tap on it and update the application to the latest version. Sometimes when your application is outdated, you can experience different problems. Once the application has been updated, open it and then try to log in again. If after doing all of this your issue is still not resolved, then you want to contact the customer support of Fantasy Premier League and they will help you fix this issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.